What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making Starry smoked lemon pepper chicken wings. Stay tuned. All right, let's go ahead and make this brine for these chicken wings. So first, we're gonna be using some Starry, a little bit of lime pepper, a little bit of lemon pepper. So let's go ahead and just pour the Starry into your bowl. All right, go ahead and pour your lemon pepper. All right, next you want to go ahead and give it a good mix. All right, you want to go ahead and take this, put this in the refrigerator for a minimum 30 minutes, but I'm going to sit it in there for an hour and a half, 2 hours. All right, catch you when it's ready. All right, I took the chicken wings out of the refrigerator. It's been about 2 hours, probably 2 hours and 20 minutes to be exact. We're going to go ahead and pull these things out, clean them up, and put them on a cooking rack. All right. All right, back to these chicken wings. So we're gonna be using 3 seasonings for these things. We're gonna be using this Chica Licka Bam Bam from Fire and Smoke, this lemon pepper all-purpose seasoning for Kingsford, and a little bit of this lime pepper, also from Badia, which is made by the same company. So, all right, let's go ahead and season them. All right, this is what it looks like after you put that seasoning on there. We're gonna throw it on this smoker at 275 degrees. Probably take about 30 minutes, and hey, we'll be right back. All right, let's go ahead and load these things up. All right, I got these things on this grill. We're gonna go ahead and let these smoke for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna rotate them. All right. All right, you guys, it's been 30 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and flip them over. All right, we're gonna leave these things on here for another 30 minutes, and then we'll take a look at them. All right, it's been another 30 minutes. These chicken wings aren't quite done yet. Probably gonna leave them on here by another 20 minutes. I'm trying to let them reach at least 165, 170 before I go ahead and take them off. All right, I'll be right back. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and make this Starry glaze for these chicken wings. You're gonna need 1 cup of Starry, couple dashes of that W sauce, Worcestershire, whatever you want to call it. Some of that lemon pepper. Some of that lime pepper. For me, I like mine a little spicy, just a little bit. I like to put a little bit of hot sauce in there. A little brown sugar. Also, we're gonna add a dab of honey. If you like your wings a little buttery, you can put a little bit of butter in there, but I don't like the way the flavor is. So, I mean, if you like yours buttery, go ahead and put some in there. We're gonna go ahead and put this on medium high. We're gonna let this simmer, and I'll be right back.
A few minutes later.
All right, as you can see, it's starting to heat up a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and mix this up. All right, so after about 3 or 4 minutes, you want to go ahead and cut this temperature down. We're just gonna let this simmer for probably about another 2 or 3 minutes, and then it'll be time to put it on that chicken. All right, it's been about 8 minutes, so your glaze is ready now. So we're gonna go ahead and take this outside. Hey, put it on them wings. Be right back. All right, y'all, I got these wings off the smoker. Let's go ahead and pour that glaze on top. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, go ahead and mix this up. Take a look at that. All right, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take these wings, throw them back on the smoker for about 5 minutes, and you know what time it is, all right? And there you have it, smoked Starry lemon pepper chicken wings. Check that out right there, y'all. Man, it don't get no better than this. Man, you got to try this. Either you want to do it with the glaze or without, you still got to try this. Got that Starry, lime pepper, lemon pepper, Chica, Licka, bam, bam. Man, this is what you end up with. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, share. Once again, my name is Trey. This is Mastablendz. It's time to eat.